gigawatts of electricity.
1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! Great Scott! What the hell is a gigawatt?
So, what do we have to do today with these records? You already took those and
shaped them.
Shaped them, yeah.
You can see the video. And now we've taken the shapes and you figure out how you want to take it. You take one of them, turn it upside down. Take the second one, lay that on top. Take your favorite record and label. That goes on top of here. And the lampshade goes up here. Okay. So now we'll show you how to put it all together. You have to drill a 3/8 inch hole because this rod needs to go through it. So always check and make sure you've got enough clearance to get through it. Because you can get these in various sizes. I find 3/8 to be the best. And you take your albums, put them on a board. Then you drill it through, which will allow the rods to fit through the opening. So he says.
Well, that has a little plastic.
Yeah. Still has some pieces left. You can so this would be the base. The size of the shaft depends how tall you want to make your light. So you take a washer and a nut. And spin it down to the record. And this goes on top here. And the 3/8 is a little bit tight, but it's better than having a sloppy one.
There it goes.
Pull the rod up. That's the easiest way to put it on. You can buy all of these lamp parts at your local hardware store. I once paid to have my phone number put in the Bensonville Wooddale phone book. And I had two options. I had it under puppets and promotions. Or I had one under puppets and one under promotions. And when I got the phone book, under promotions it said to see puppets. So you turn to the puppets, and when you turn to the puppet page, it says "See Promotions." No phone number was ever put in, and they insisted that I still pay them. I refused.
I wouldn't have.
Okay. And tighten it till it's snug. Don't over tighten it. Now this will be the top record that'll go on there, and you should always drill into a piece of wood,
Yeah,
not your
table. I was very paranoid when I was like
Drilling
drilling
these,
those.
get 'em
Yeah.
lined up.
Oh yeah. You don't have to be that ginger
No,
with them.
it gives you-
Yeah. Is that the right word, ginger? Do it so gingerly. That's the word I'm looking for.
ginger ale. Maybe the 5/8 is a little bit, but that would make it sloppy. We don't
Yeah,
want
they'd
it sloppy.
yeah they'd flop around everywhere. That's a really good one. That works really well. Matches up to the edges and everything. It's perfect. As long as you're like going right in the middle, everything's going to line up exact on one side. It's really nice.
And then your choice of what you want to do to cover this. I found these balls online. You can stain them first. Leave them all natural, varnish them. Get a whole bag of them.
Got those there.
So now you take the base and screw the base on. So that's the base. This is the wire that comes with it on the base.
This part, the wire and the switch, everything came in this kit right here.
Turn it upside down. Cable out. Spread the two apart. And then there's two screws.
Let me see the thing real quick. Okay. Does it matter which one you put where?
No, not
those
on
are
this. These
no.
are just copper. Hook it on the same way you're putting this screw in. So it'll tighten down and pull the wire. Split the wire to give you more. Pull the wire back through. And the next piece you put on, you line up the notch with the switch. Hold it here with your hands and press it together. So when you go to put these together on there and you put it in, look and see if there's any pins. There's 2 pins there. And then there's 2 different holes right here. these two are different. So you line those holes up. There, where did they go? There they went. Till it snaps in.
Okay.
And then you're locked in.
Cool.
Next thing you do is put an LED light bulb in it.
But yeah, LED because the other bulbs get too hot. The filament.
Melt.
Yeah.
Then you can plug it in.
Wow.
And turn it on.
Let there be light.
And this socket is for a three-way bulb. You can get three-way LEDs.
Oh, there you go.
That's why if you ever turn it once and you don't get any light, it's a three. Second one will get it, third one's got it, fourth one's off. Now you take the lampshade holder. Comes springy. And you push it down over the top of the bulb. And you don't have to do any drilling to the lampshade.
Okay.
Because the hole is perfecto. And there's your lamp. The shade.
That's awesome.